This is what we woke up to this morning. Yeah. I mean, I love the snow, but this is insane. Look at how high up the snow goes to my bird feeder. This is crazy. What's out there? A lot of snow.
I can't go
out there. Oh my goodness.
It's too big for me.
Yeah.
I get taller.
There is so much snow outside. Grant is amazed. What is that, buddy? What is that? Oh, he's so happy.
No.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I have teamed up with a few other mommy YouTubers to give one lucky winner $100 PayPal cash, or if you do not have PayPal, we could always do an Amazon gift card. All you have to do is follow the rules in the description box below to enter this giveaway. The holidays, I know, can be tough, and we just hope that this giveaway can help one lucky winner. So after you watch my video, head over to the other girl's channel and make sure to enter to win. I wanted to let you guys know also that this giveaway will be closed on Christmas Day. That is when we are picking the winner. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and good luck to you. Alright guys, Ryan requested for me to make him some cheese Danishes, preferably with some jam on them. So I am making raspberry cheese Danishes. I did find this on Pillsbury's website. I will link it down below. They're a raspberry cream cheese croissant Danish. So you use croissant rolls, or you can get the sheet if you have the sheet. I just had these on hand. A thing of cream cheese, and I think you only use one third cup of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 8 teaspoons of seedless raspberry jam. And it says you can top with almonds, sliced almonds if you want. I'm not going to because I don't have them, and I don't think Ryan would want them on there anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and make these up, and I will set you guys up on my tripod.
No. A cold winter night when lights are low, the treetops are covered up in snow, and I always miss you so. I know that it's Christmas time again. The reindeer are rushing side by side, and Santa is going for a ride, but it's you I'm longing for. I feel that it's Christmas time again. Missing all these little things that we used to do. Everything was so much better back then, when we wished upon a star and our dreams came true. How I wish you were here when it's Christmas time again. It's Christmas time. The silence on every empty street, when families are gathering to eat, then I always miss you so. I know that it's Christmas time again. Alone here, right by the fireplace, I dream of that smile upon your face. Only you I'm longing for. I feel that it's Christmas time again. I'm missing all these little things that we used to do. Everything was so much better back then, when we wished upon a star and our dreams came true. How I wish you were here when it's Christmas time again. I couldn't make you stay. You walked away that December day. If only I could turn back time. Baby, I love you, I miss you. Missing all these little things that we used to do. Everything was so much better.
You guys, these are amazing. Wow. It does say to drizzle some confectioner sugar with a little bit of milk for like a glaze on top. So I'm gonna do that just for like aesthetics and to make them look really pretty. And then Ryan should be home for lunch sometime soon, so they will be ready for him. All right, guys, we are making a Grinch Craft. So what you're gonna need is, I printed these off from Teachers Pay Teachers. It was completely free. It's a Grinch. It's basically everything you need for the Grinch head. And I've got some construction paper here, some cotton balls, pencil, red crayon, some glue, both kinds of glue, and then a thing of scissors. So we're gonna make the Grinch head. Oh, you covered his eyebrows.
It's okay. It's okay, Mom.
Okay. Guys, I don't know if I showed you the finished product of their Grinches, but they're here on the counter drying. This one is Paisley's and this one is Weston's. I had to remember. Paisley colored hers more bright red. I'm surprised Weston, he's not much of a, he doesn't like to color very much. So anyway, this is their Grinch faces. I think they're so cute, and for a free craft, we literally had all this stuff at home. It's super easy to do. So yeah, there's Mr. Grinch. This dog, all day long, in, out, in, out. Yeah, you just love to play in the snow, but now we've got snow all over the floor, huh? Pretty deep. It's like deeper than you. It's cold out there. Papa will be home soon. You watching for Papa? So I've got my chili here. Recipe I will link in this video because you guys, I've posted this recipe before. So we've just got that cooking. We'll just eat whenever. We'll probably leave it going while we go out and plow some more. Ryan's got some personal driveways to do. What are you doing? You're so jelly. You guys, we are in the truck. We are headed to go plow my parents' house. The snow is crazy. Like, it's, you have to make little pathways. Like, Ryan's gonna have to get out his skid steer to clear out the snow because he can't just like plow it all. It's so much.
Show the vlog, Mom.
Yeah, I did. It's crazy, isn't it? It's so cool. I love it. It's so beautiful, but it's crazy.
Tonight it was a blizzard.
Yeah. What do you think about the snow, honey?
It was a lot, really quickly too.
Yeah. It was, how much did they say? Like 3 inches per hour?
Yeah.
3 inches.
Down literally during like a couple hours last night while we were all sleeping. We woke up and it was 2 foot of snow like that.
Yeah. Crazy. Paisley, what do you think about the snow?
But Poppy gets his belly. It's like a
Yeah, well, I'll shovel that out when we get back.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Today we are just sitting at home. We did have a few things to run, like run errands and stuff earlier this morning, but we've been home since then. I just got the dishes done. I figured I'd spare you a little dishwashing already because I'm sure I'm gonna do more later on. What are you doing? I've got a little table climber. What are you doing? I love having this table here, but let me tell you, I swear it catches like all the dirt and it shows everything, and I don't know if it's just because the tabletop is white. I'm not sure. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Hey, what are you doing? You need to get down, please. Please get down. But I wanted to hop on here and just say good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. We are vlogging probably this weekend. It'll be a 2-day kind of affair here, but I am suffering from a really, really bad headache today. I don't know what it is. It's like one of those headaches that come on super duper quick, and I feel like it's gonna last all day. I tried some Excedrin. I'm trying some caffeine, like a cup of coffee as well. I know Excedrin has caffeine in it, but I am struggling with this headache. Sometimes that happens and I'll get a headache and it'll last like 2 days. Hey, you know. But anyway, I hope you guys are all having a great weekend, and let's get into the rest of the vlog. This K-Cup is bomb. Let me show you what I got. So I ordered it, I think it was on like Keurig's website, because they were having a sale and I wanted some yummy K-Cups, because I ordered Nespresso pods forever ago and they still haven't come. They were supposed to arrive yesterday, it said, and I still haven't gotten them. So I know like everything is backed up with like winter stuff going on, so I'm just like not even counting on it before Christmas now, because they haven't shown that they were even coming yet. So I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, I ordered these off Keurig's website. They had like a sale. I think it was 25% off. It was a really good deal. There's 10 of each flavor. I have loved both of these, and of course, because they're dark roast, I'm more of a dark roast fan. I have not tried, oh maybe I did. I think I tried one of these, and these were okay. But the peppermint bark one is super good. You guys know I love my peppermint mocha creamer, so I did a splash of that and just a little bit of French vanilla to add a little bit more flavor. And it is so, so good. I highly recommend it. But I wish that they made this in like a dark roast, but they don't. I don't think it's a dark roast. Peppermint bark, maybe it says, yeah, it's a light roast. I wish it was a dark roast, but it's good. I'm so used to my Nespresso pods that I definitely am more of a dark roast fan. So anyway, yeah, that's what I've got in here. He's still in his jammies because it's Saturday, and why not? We have no plans. We've got Baby Bum or Coco Melon on the TV. I just picked up the living room. Tomorrow we are planning on doing all of our Christmas baking. I have like 4 different recipes I want to make, which is kind of crazy. Do you want to go out, Dozer? It's freezing outside. This morning when we woke up, our temperature thing said -2. So it's cold out today, hence the hat, and because it's cute. Anyway, Ryan got me this from Tractor Supply. But yes, we are gonna do all of our winter baking tomorrow, or our Christmas cookies for Santa. It's impossible to do too much with you, you crazy. You crazy. He doesn't take a very long nap, and he is like just my master of disaster. Aren't you? You're crazy. He is into everything now. He is constantly like making messes and digging in garbages and drawers and all of that. So I just have to keep my eye on him at all times. So anything easy this year is perfect for me. What are you doing?